Hi everyone, Shadi here. I just want to give a quick tip about how I do my gold edging on my resin coasters. This is just one of the ways that I do it, and I use Pearl X powdered pigment in solar gold, a small brush, and it's very simple. You just get a little bit of powder on your brush. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. And I've already done this on my mold, but I just want to show you the technique of it. So basically you just go around and paint it on all over, and that's what I've done with this mold here. And then I'll pour my resin onto it, let it fully cure, and the edges come out very nice. There are some other techniques that I use, and I'll be happy to do more videos on how I do those, but yeah, that's just one of the ways that I do it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.